Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'd like to continue our last story about Frank Mitchum. Let's learn more about Frank Mitchum. Well, this story is related to the use of simple past tense and present tense. Well, as usual, after this story, I'm going to ask you some questions about it. Please listen to me carefully. Frank Mitchum was born in Chicago. His father was a bus driver and his mother was a waitress. They were born in Chicago too. Frank Mitchum started school when he was 5. He wasn't happy at school and he wasn't a very good student either. He was in school for 11 years. He left school when he was 16. His first job was in a supermarket. He was there for 2 years. His next job was in a factory. Well, he came to New York when he was 18. He worked in a supermarket too. Well, he went to prison last year. He was there for 3 months, but he is free now. Now, the questions. Where was Frank born? The next question. Were his parents born in Chicago? Well, next question. What was his father's job? And what was his mother's job? The next question. How old was Frank when he started school? The next question. How long was he in school? Was he happy at school? Was he a very good student? Well, where was his first job? How long was he there? Then, where was his next job? The next question. How old was he when he came to New York? And where did he work? Did he go to prison last year? How long was he there? The last question, is he free now? Alright, I hope that this story is, I hope this video is very useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment and share. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.